Good morning. It is a cold and crisp morning here in North Carolina, and today I'm going to talk about EDC for wildlife photography, everyday carry. So come along and enjoy this adventure. Well, first of all, I'd like to apologize to anybody who's gotten to this video because they want to see EDC as far as carrying knives, guns, self-defense stuff or anything like that. It's not that kind of video. It's EDC for wildlife photography. The whole idea behind my bag here is to keep me in the woods longer. For some reason, I need some essential items, and that's all that's in here is essential items. I can stay in the forest a little bit longer photographing wildlife. Now, the first thing I did is I got a bag that I keep it all in. I bought this bag from REI. It's water resistant, very well made. It's a durable bag. I've done the whole thing where you buy cheap bags and try to use those, and it just doesn't work out. You end up buying 5 or 6 different bags, and by the time you spend all that money, you could have bought this one. And I think I paid between $30 and $35 for this. It's basically just got 2 big pockets in it. And in the main big pocket, I have a charging cable. So I have a cable here, USB-C to USB-C. And the reason I have that is that with USB-C to USB-C, you can charge your phone, you can charge your camera, you can charge all your essential items with it. But in order to do that, you have to have a power brick. Now, this is a smaller power brick that I have. I actually have 2 of them. This has got a USB-C, USB 3 ports on the back of it. So I can charge 2 things at once. With this brick here, I can charge my phone, I think, twice, and I can charge my camera once. And it does a pretty good job. When you're using the USB-C, it does it pretty fast. Now, when we're talking about power, we're always talking about batteries. Now, I carry 2 batteries with me, one for this camera, one for my main camera. If I wasn't vlogging, I would only carry 1 battery. I have my battery in the camera, I have my backup battery, and I have my charging cable, my charging brick, just in case I need it. Another thing that I carry in here is a flashlight. Now, when I originally started setting this up, I didn't really think I needed a flashlight. But as soon as I put this in this bag here, I use it a lot more. And I do notice that when I'm out at night taking, I'm trying to get into more landscape photography. And when I'm out at night, I use this flashlight a lot more than I would think I use it for, because it's something, I have it, I decide I'm going to use it. So it's just essential items here. Now, in the front pocket here, I have 2 things in here. One, I have my CF card holder here. So this is for holding my CF cards. This is just something that I have so that I can basically have 2 CF cards with me. I'm actually looking for a smaller one of these that just holds 2 CF cards. This is one I've had for years. It's a Kirkland brand. I'm going to leave a link to all this stuff below here. It's just something that's waterproof that I can keep 2 CF cards. Now, I don't worry about filling up my cards. I empty my cards every night. It's not something I'm concerned about. The main reason why I have this container is if I forget to take my CF cards with me and they're on my computer, I go out in the woods, I don't have one. With this, I have that. The other thing I carry with me are these Zeiss cleaning pads. This is something that I carry probably about 4 packages with them. I don't carry a lot of them with me, and when I use them, when I get back to the house, I always put back more in there. But I only carry 5 of them with me because it's not, the whole idea behind this pack is not to keep you in the woods for a week. It's just to keep you in the woods for the rest of the day. I carry 5 of these. It's great for cleaning your binoculars, cleaning your lenses. It's a great thing to have with you, and if you don't have it with you, it can be very disruptive. And the reason why I carry 5 of them with me is not because I'll ever use 5. It's like as soon as I pull it out and start using it, somebody says, "Oh, do you have another one of those?" So that's the reason why I carry it. The whole idea behind this pack is to keep you in the forest a little bit longer, to hopefully capture that photo of a lifetime. So I'm hoping this video helped you. If you got anything out of the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel because that really helps us in the YouTube world. Become a Patreon supporter. Your support allows us to keep doing this. My name is Leahy. I want to thank you for watching.